created in simple one prompt, and within few minutes we have witnessed a powerful and beautiful dashboard with professional theme designing and all. It's a sales and target performance dashboard containing sales, target, total orders, achievement, units sold, with slices, region, product category, month. We are seeing top 10 products by sales, category contribution, monthly trend, sales by region, and sales by manager. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are bringing something amazing content for you all, especially for the C levels and management, directors, business heads, and data analysts. We are talking about AI build my dashboard 10 times faster than manually. You will see how we are making this dashboard with one prompt. Here is you are seeing the data set. This data set is pertaining to furniture superstore. This data set consists of 1 year, which is showing furniture wise or product wise sales. Now we go to the Claude. This is our prompt. We simply paste here in Claude. This is a comprehensive prompt developed by a team which providing an insightful dashboard. First, we will give this prompt. Now we click this arrow sign. This will take 2 to 3 minutes and provide a BAS extension file, which is a VBA extension code. This comprehensive VBA code we will use in Excel to create a powerful and beautifully crafted dashboard. You will be amazed how we can quickly create dashboard which requires data analysts to create at least 8 to 10 hours first to create a data without any error or data manipulation, then making relationship data analysis, then create a powerful dashboard. This one prompt has made my life very easy. We will share with you this prompt. Do apply this prompt and share your comment. How was your experience? Here is a VBA code has been generated. We will download this BS file. We will go to downloads. We copy this BS file, VBA file. We go to Excel sheet. Here we will go to Excel sheet, developer tab. There is icon on top left side, Visual Basic. We go to file option and simply import this BS file which is recently generated. Simply we open it and close and return to Microsoft Excel. The file has been imported in Microsoft Excel. For dashboard we create a here button. Simply we go to shapes, build dashboard. Simply you need to click the button. We make a small formatting. This is we say is like a button. We assign macro build sales dashboard. Okay, this whole step has been done. Simple process we have what we have made. We just simply clicking the build dashboard. A simply beautiful dashboard has been created in simple one prompt. and within few minutes we have witnessed a powerful and beautiful dashboard with professional theme designing and all. It's a sales and target performance dashboard containing sales, target, total orders, achievement, units sold, with slices, region, product category, month. We are seeing top 10 products by sales, category contribution, monthly trend, sales by region, and sales by manager. Data has been converted to raw table to dynamic table. Other sheet has been created with pivot. It's showing the month wise sales, category wise sales, region wise, and segment wise sales. This is a comprehensive data set, and pivot table and dashboard has been designed. I hope you all people has enjoyed this simply beautiful dashboard. It's a just simply one prompt dashboard which provide a comprehensive insight of the business. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends, colleagues, family. We will share prompt in comment box. You can download and you can use this prompt and get beautiful insights and enhance your productivity 100 times. Your CEO, your management will be delighted to see quick and fast dashboard or reports to make a powerful decisions in quick manner. This is it for now. Thank you very much. Take care.